Hey guys, it's Salam again, and just want to ask you guys, when's the last time you used protein? Think about it. Was it this week? Was it last month? Was it in the last 6 months? Your hair needs protein just like your body needs water. If you go to the gym and you're trying to build muscle and change the way your muscles look, you need to have protein. It's the same for your hair structure. It's really important scientifically to get your hair to feel stronger by having a topical application of protein. So in our protein mask here, we have hydrolyzed wheat protein sources in there. Not the same as mixing up egg and mayonnaise, I'm sorry. Basically, they will actually, small little tiny particles that sink into the hair strands and rebuild them and strengthen them from the inside out. So if your hair is feeling weak, mushy, not holding a curl properly, not holding a style properly, it may be time to do a protein treatment. And you don't have to worry about it being too drying or too heavy, because this protein treatment is formulated especially for dry hair textures. So please do look out for the protein mask and give your hair the support that it needs.